First things first, getting the dry ingredients ready. I have 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 pinch of salt. I am going to incorporate it really good. And now I am ready to prepare the wet ingredients. Okay, let's start with the egg, 1 whole egg. We're going to add it in here. We're going to add the vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And I'm going to, finish the rest because it's very little in this bottle. And I'm going to add the vegetable oil, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I am going to incorporate it really good, making sure that everything is nice and incorporated before I add the sour cream. Yes, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of sour cream. First, I'm going to incorporate these 3 ingredients, and now I am going to add the sour cream. These cookies come out so delicious, nice and fluffy, nice and brown from the bottom, but from the top they look nice and white. And you could enjoy this amazing cookie with coffee or with a tea. You decide, because the cookie is not sugary at all. And here I'm going to show you that once everything is nice and incorporated, I'm going to start adding the dry ingredients a little bit at a time. This is going to be well combined. To make sure that it's well combined, use your hands. That's the best tool we have to make this amazing dough for your cookies. I added 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour to my countertop, and I am going to continue kneading and then making a cylinder. Once everything is incorporated, make your cylinder and start cutting away. You're gonna make little pieces almost the same size, and you're gonna make your little patties just like that. The cookies are really going to come out nice and fluffy and delicious. Just try that every cookie is almost the same size so that everything cooks at the same time. Look how easy this is. You could make your cookies from scratch. There's no need to start buying boxes of mixture so that you can make your cookies when you can make them at home from scratch. Everybody has these ingredients, easy to find. Once you have all your dough nice and circled just like that, then you're going to take it to the oven, 350 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. No more than 20 minutes. You're going to notice that the edges are going to get a little bit light brown, and then you're ready to remove. Every oven is different. It took my oven about 20 minutes, 350 Fahrenheit. I have 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, 1 pinch of salt, and 1 small lemon. And of course, we are going to start making this mixture. This is going to be the decoration on top of the cookies. The pinch of salt, the sugar powder, and of course the lemon. Start adding the juice a little bit at a time. You're gonna notice like you need more liquid, but no, you don't need any more liquid. Take your time incorporating the powdered sugar into the lemon juice. Take your time. This is the real time. I want to show you that this mixture needs to get nice and thick. And it takes a little time for it to get nice and thick and smooth. Once you have the mixture like this, when it pours on the bottom, you could see the little ribbons. That means that's the texture you want to see. Don't add any more liquid or else it's going to be nice and runny. And that's exactly what you don't want. You want to see those ribbons on the bottom. You want to see the liquid. When it falls down, it keeps its shape. And this is nice and thick. Look at this. That's exactly how you want it. Well, let's check and see if our cookies are done. When the cookies are done, you get them out of your oven. Let them cool down for at least 15 minutes. You want them to come to room temperature before you add the topping so that the topping really sticks to the cookie and it doesn't melt away. Look at this. After the 15 minutes, I am ready for the decoration. Like I said, they're nice and fluffy, golden brown from the bottom. And now I'm ready to add this mixture right on the top. Remember that the cookie, it's not sugary at all, but when you start adding this coat on the top, well, this is just going to be perfection. Once you add it, you're going to go ahead, put it on the bottom, add your heart right in the center, and then add some sprinkles. That's optional, but I'm adding some sprinkles because this cookie is for Valentine's. So why not add sugar sprinkles right on the top? You decide what color you want, but look how gorgeous this cookie looks. Oh my gosh, this just looks amazing. Look at the texture inside. They're nice and fluffy from the inside, crispy from the bottom, and a little bit from the top. But this cookie comes out amazing. You could enjoy it with a cup of coffee, enjoy it with a cup of tea. You decide. And if you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, please don't forget, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so that Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Of course, if you have little ones, bring them in the kitchen. They could help you with the decoration. This is a very easy and delicious homemade cookie made at home from scratch. Look how easy this is. You pour a little bit of the mixture right on the top. It's nice and white. And now I am going to add the heart right in the center and then add the sprinkles. Any type of decoration, whatever you have at home, you could add to this amazing cookie. This just looks amazing. Well, I'm going to stay making the rest of the cookies and enjoying making these cookies, because when you bake with love, everything comes out amazing. And I am sure we're really going to enjoy this amazing cookie for Valentine's. I hope you make them and you enjoy them with your beautiful family. And now I am ready to show you from close up how this looks. What the sugar has already firmed up. It's not runny at all. It's not gooey at all. It's nice and covered, dry, and that's exactly how you're going to enjoy it. I am going to enjoy it with a delicious homemade coffee, instant coffee. Look how easy it is to make a delicious homemade coffee and cookies made from scratch. I am ready for the presentation. I can't wait to enjoy. I'll see you in just a little bit. Irresistible. I hope, my friends, you make them. They come out so fluffy from the inside, but yet nice and crispy from the outside, and is not too sugary. Just the topping perfection, the sweetness perfection for this amazing cookie. Amazing. Like I always say, when you bake with love, everything comes out perfect. Amazing. If you like and love this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification button. If you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you soon. Bye-bye.